Today, guys, we are working with my Ford F-150. This is a 2019 Basic XL edition, but it is the 5.0 liter V8. So today I'm just going to show you how to engage and disengage your parking brake. So firstly, to engage your parking brake, you're just going to go to your steering wheel here, and it's just going to be down on your left-hand side. So right here, there's a button that says P with a circle around it. That is going to be your parking brake. So all you have to do to engage your parking brake is pull on this button, and you're going to hear a sound like this. So now when you hear that sound, that means that your parking brake is engaged. And also on your dash, it's going to look like this. So you're going to get two little notifications there that says your parking brake's on, and one on your screen there as well. So this one will always stay blinking, and especially when you get back into your car the next time, that'll just blink to let you know that your parking brake is still on. So now in order to disengage your parking brake, you do not have to start your engine, but you will have to take your key and put it into the slot here and turn it just to get all the screens on and stuff. And then again, so it's going to say your parking brake's on, and of course all the other stuff. And you're going to have to push your foot on the brake and then push in on this time. And you're going to hear that sound again. That means that your parking brake is off, and you'll also get recognition up front here that says that your parking brake is off.